red, so bright. B is for bull, B, B is orange in sight. C is for car, book, car, it's yellow and fast. D is for dinosaur, sit, dude, it's green at last. ABC in colors too, phonics sounds for me and you. Learn them all, sing along, let's make learning fun and strong. E is for elephant, thin, it's blue and tall. F is for flower, F, it's purple and small. G is for grapes, they're brown and sweet. H is for hat to winch, it's black and neat. I is indigo, J is jade, K is kiwi, L's lemonade, and N is magenta, N is navy, O is orange, so bright and wavy. E is for penguin, cool, it's white and cool. Q is for quilt, it's pink and full. R is for rainbow, so many colors. S is for sun, shining with wonders. T is teal, U is umber, V is violet, W is wonder, X is indic, Y is yellow, Z is zesty, bright and mellow. Now we know our colors and sounds, phonics fun is all around. Sing again and learn with me, ABC so happily.
Don't forget to subscribe to Peri Toons and make sure to like and share as well. Bye, friends.